This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Leach Alil. Location. 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 A delightful and immaculate one-bed/one-bath condo located in the heart of Aventura. The unit features wood and ceramic tile flooring. The condo offers an open floor plan with views of the pool area, wood and tile flooring, plenty of closet space, and impact windows throughout the unit. Assigned parking is conveniently located near the unit. Washer and dryer inside the unit. Building with 24-hour security, valet, 3 infinity pools, a sauna, a gym, a clubroom, a billiard room, a movie theater, and more. Walking distance to supermarkets, stores, and restaurants. Near Aventura Mall, hospital, and beaches. The owner is looking for a seasonal rental only, preferably a 6-month rental, minimum of 3 months. Pet friendly. For more information, review the details below.